There are times when everything feels like you're never going to be able to get out of it, like it's quicksand. Every day you're being pulled down, or every moment you can't even see a sliver of hope. And you should sit and mourn what you're feeling. I really believe in not pushing things under the rug. I believe in actually talking about it. Find a person you trust. It is very, very crucial. And I have friends and we know people that have, when people think that they're alone, the noise and the fear becomes really big. When you're alone and you're dealing with what you're scared of, you can't fight it because it's in your head and you can't fight what's in your head. But when you talk about it to someone you trust, whether it's your family member, whether it's a loved one, whether it's a therapist, whatever, somehow the power goes away from it.
What Priyanka just described is the reality of millions. When you bottle up your loneliness and sadness, it actually just doesn't sit there. It grows and then slowly it converts into depression. When you are not talking out and when you're holding all your emotions and thoughts in your head, it converts into an echo chamber and it makes you realize and get into your worst fears. Here is the science why letting it out saves you. When you take a thought out of your head and put it into words, your brain changes the way it processes it. It goes from an abstract, terrifying emotion to a tangible reality that can be managed. Priyanka mentioned that the power goes away. She is right. When you talk, it deflates the monster and it makes you feel better. It lets the pressure out of the cooker before it bursts out and blows into a full-fledged depression. Now, while medication has its own place, but trust me guys, some people are put on pills simply because they just didn't have anybody to talk. As a happiness coach, my goal is preventive and restorative and gets to you through the concept of counseling and talking. We just don't look at the symptoms, but we dig deep, root into the noise. Through guided conversations, we reframe your thought patterns and take you through a complete guided tour where you will be able to find yourself. Often, just being truly heard and giving you the right mental tools is more than sufficient to pull you really out from that quicksand. You don't have to suffer in silence to prove that you're strong. If you're sinking, do not wait until it gets worse and just comment ready in the comment section and I will send you the details of booking an appointment with me. Let's talk it out, clear all the noise and bring happiness back into your life. Do not forget to share this video with a person whom you feel just needs to know this and needs that kind of help. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such healthy happiness updates. Bye-bye.